Hey everyone! Today we're kicking off a brand new series where I'll teach you how to use Photopea, a completely free, browser-based image editor that looks and works a lot like Photoshop. So, what is Photopea? Photopea is a free, web-based image and graphic design editor. You don't download or install anything. It runs entirely in your browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Here's what makes it special. It's free to use, with an optional paid plan that just removes ads. It supports Photoshop file formats. You can open and save PSD files directly. The interface is nearly identical to Photoshop. Same layout, similar tools, similar shortcuts. If you ever move to Photoshop later, you'll already feel at home. It works on almost any device: Windows, Mac, Linux, even Chromebooks, because it's just running in your browser. Opening Photopea couldn't be simpler. Just open your web browser and go to photopea.com. That's it. No sign-up, no account required, no installation. The app loads right in your browser tab. When it loads, you'll see a welcome screen with a few options. New project. Start a blank canvas. Open from computer. Open a file already saved on your device. You can also drag and drop an image straight onto this screen to open it instantly. Quick tip: you can bookmark photopea.com or even install it as an app on your desktop through your browser's menu. That gives you a shortcut icon just like a normal program, even though it's still running online. Let's open a sample image so I can show you around. I'll click Open from Computer and choose a photo. Great. Now let's break down the interface into 5 main areas. The menu bar. Across the very top, you've got your menu bar. File, Edit, Image, Layer, Select, Filter, View, Window, and more. This is where you'll find things like saving, resizing, adjusting colors, and applying filters. We'll dig into these menus in later lessons. The toolbar. Running down the left edge is your toolbar. This holds all your tools: the Move tool, selection tools like the marquee and lasso, the crop tool, brush, eraser, text tool, eyedropper, zoom, and more. Hovering over any icon shows you its name and keyboard shortcut. The canvas. This big area in the middle is your canvas. This is where your actual image lives and where all your editing happens. The options bar, just under the menu bar. This changes depending on which tool you have selected. For example, if I click the brush tool, the options bar shows brush size, hardness, and opacity settings. The panels. On the right, you'll typically see the Layers panel. This is one of the most important panels you'll use. Every element of your design sits on its own layer, and this is where you manage them. The Color panel, for picking your foreground and background colors. The History panel lets you step backward through your edits, like an undo list. You can drag these panels around, close them, or reopen them from the window menu at the top if you ever lose one. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for the rest of the series, and I'll see you in Lesson 2.